So here we are, D4, insulate, ply line, plasterboard and now skim. So we've just done the ceiling, as all the walls are going to be covered in acoustic tiles as it's a recording studio. So time to get some plaster on it. Customer's been out to buy the plaster and they're not to know any different. But the unscrupulous builders merchants he's been doing have sold him plaster that's only 3 months overdue, out of date. So let's keep our fingers crossed. It's 5th, 6th of March. This plaster went out of date in November last year. So from experience, we've got 2 options, 3 options. First option is it goes okay. Doesn't make much difference. Second option is it goes hard in the bucket. The third option is it doesn't go hard. Even though difficult and hard work a curved vaulted ceiling is, you don't need that added complication. Missed a bit. So, first coat's on, still a bit soft, maybe a side effect, the gone off plaster, gone off, out of date. Hanging about, nice and damp, and still a bit soft. But virtually they're ready for our second coat. Good morning. This is the final day on the recording studio, which I've been looking forward to for quite a while. So the ceiling is finished. As you can see, we've got what's known as a curved vaulted ceiling, which apparently is the best for the sound booths or the recording studio.
At this point, Reese was joined by the multi-talented Andy and Rob to do the fairy lights. The final fix on the electrics.
So, 3 broken workers have completed the task of the day.
It's fully wired. The house got a new consumer unit on it. The studio's got a new consumer unit on it. And the studio has soundproof fire doors. And the cavity is closed with closed cell foam and is pretty soundproof. But we won't do a sound test just yet. We'll wait for Rob to move his gear in here and we'll come back and
I think I move in here, I know my gear.
we'll come back and have a decibel test on it.
Is my hair okay? Because I did blow dry this morning.
What's this? Do you think the neighbours will be alright with that?
No, I think I'll be alright with that.
Yeah.
I think I won't feel too embarrassed now when we're blasting out.
Over and out, Captain.